Alright, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to create your photos for our PhotoArc project. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Pixlr, Pixlr.com. And this is what it's going to come up to. You're going to click on Pixlr Editor. Now, if it does this, you already have your flash. Go up here to the top and enable the flash. You have to reload it, and it'll work. Reload. Here we go. Okay. Find your image that you pulled from the website. I got mine down here as Pixlr image. Pull it onto there. Now the first thing that you're going to do that everybody forgets to do is go over to this little padlock here and double click to unlock the layer. What you're going to do next is you're going to go down to where it says new layer. Click on that. See how it's checkered there? That's going to be transparent. That's what we want. Over here to our eraser tool, and you're going to start erasing the background. Now look, if it doesn't work, watch. We go over here, and we're on the wrong layer. Let's click on the tiger one, and now we can start erasing. Now, what I like to do is go up here to the brush. I don't really like the blurred one because the lines aren't as sharp, but click on here and just erase the background. Now, what you can do is you can zoom in so you can get really close to the edge. I'm going to pause it right now, and I'm going to erase the rest of the background. Okay, and there is what it looks like. Now, what I want you to do now is change the background to either black or white, depending on what the requirements are for that particular section of our PhotoArc project. So go over here to the Paint Bucket tool, set the main color, black, okay, and then we'll go and we'll click on the background here, this transparent background, just like that. Now, if you want to change it to white, obviously, we'll go Edit, Undo, and we'll set our color to white. And there we are. Now, when you go to save it, File, Save, what I'd like you to do in order to put it on the slideshow is save it as a JPEG. We'll set the quality to 100 and hit OK. Replace it. And now we back out of here, and we have our picture right over here. And then what you'll do is you'll take this and you'll email it to me, and I will put it into our comprehensive project. Easy peasy. All right.